Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into OnCrawl for log file SEO analysis, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for OnCrawl. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. On the OnCrawl homepage, locate the Login button. This button is usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click the Login button to proceed to the login page. Here, you will see a form prompting you for your credentials. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type in your password in the second field. Make sure that the password is entered correctly, as it is case sensitive. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you through the password recovery process. Once your email and password are filled in, click the Login button. You may need to complete a CAPTCHA if prompted. After submitting your credentials, wait for the page to load. If the information is correct, you will be redirected to your OnCrawl dashboard. From here, you can access a range of log file SEO analysis tools. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard. Explore the various features available to enhance your SEO analysis. If you encounter any issues logging in, double-check your credentials. If problems persist, consider reaching out to OnCrawl support for assistance. Now you are ready to utilize OnCrawl for your log file SEO analysis needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.